Here's a new 2018 Ford Focus. With plenty of style and more than enough attitude, this is a machine that appears to be moving even when standing still. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, smartphone wireless charging, manual telescoping steering column, auto shift manual transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com writes, when it comes to that elusive fun-to-drive factor, for example, you'll find the Focus to be one of the more engaging cars in its class, with nimble handling that doesn't come at the expense of ride comfort. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.